Medlab science, weight loss, and all of that good stuff. I mean, you're going to learn a lot. Oh, yogo. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, so if this is the first time, welcome to my channel. I'm really excited to have you here. Thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Kome Odede, and my name of my channel is Scientist K, because I talk about science stuff, Medlab science, and weight loss, and a lot of other things that will benefit you. So I need you to like this video, subscribe, and comment at the end of the video, when you like the video, so you can get more information like this. So let's get right into today's video. Today's video is going to be about branches in medical microbiology specialty. So I'll put up a video where I talk about the 4 main branches in medical laboratory science, but today I'm going to be talking about just the specialty medical microbiology, because that is my specialty and that is where I take interest in. So there are a lot, I mean, when I say a lot, there are a lot of specialties in this broad specialty alone. Just this medical microbiology, there are a lot, but I was just talking about 10 today. 10 most popular or most common branches in medical microbiology. So the first one here is virology. So according to the name virology, it's just the study of viruses. Viruses are really tiny particles that are non-living and non-cellular. I mean, they have to gain access to the host cells before they can actually multiply. And viruses are really very stubborn because they can affect humans, animals, plants, insects, even protozoans. I'm serious, like there's a virus that actually affects an amoeba. So the examples of viruses, you have the HIV virus, the virus that causes human immune deficiency syndrome, whatever, human immune virus, AIDS, acquired immune deficiency syndrome. The virus that causes it, the organism that causes it is actually a virus. Also, we have yellow fever. It's caused by the virus from the Flaviviridae family. Yeah, and even our normal common cold is caused by a virus. There are so many classes of viruses, and I can do a separate video for that, but that is for virology. Second specialty on my list here, we have bacteriology. According to the name, or as it sounds, still guess, yeah, you are right, it's the study of bacteria. So you can specialize in that area to study bacteria, bacteria that cause disease in man, and the ones that are non-pathogenic, the ones that are pathogenic, and bacteria that cause disease in animals, and all of that good stuff. Bacteria is actually bigger than virus, and they are cellular. They are not like virus that are non-living. They are living things. They can live. Some bacteria can actually live without the host. Some need the host. Yeah. So that is that for bacteriology. So the next one, which is the third one here, is immunology. According to the name immunology, immune is the study of the immune system. It also looks at the relationship between pathogens like viruses, bacteria, fungi, and the host, and how our immune system fights against them. Very good specialty. Yeah. So the next specialty here is parasitology. According to the name, parasitology is the study of parasites. Not all parasites are actually microorganisms, but all microorganisms that are harmful are parasites. So parasitology looks at all parasites. That includes insects, protozoans, worms, all of those organisms that cause disease in man. They must not be microorganisms. Yeah. The next one here is protozoology. According to the name, protozoology, study of protozoans. So protozoans are they are unicellular. They're unicellular, and examples are your amoeba, euglena, paramecium, Trichomonas vaginalis, Entamoeba coli, Entamoeba histolytica, all of that. So study of protozoology, you can study that. So specialize there if you want. So the seventh branch here is molecular biology. Molecular biology is just studying life at a molecular level. Yeah, it's actually fun because you get to deal with DNA and RNA of organisms, just like the coronavirus testing now. How we test for coronavirus is actually through the DNA. You break down the virus, extract its nucleic acid, and determine if it is the virus. So that is for molecular biology, looking at organisms at their molecular level. So the 8th point here is nematology. I like to say that it's under hematology, but then you can study nematology on its own because this whole microorganism thing is really broad. So nematology is the study of roundworms. These worms sometimes are actually, you can see them visually. Most of the time they're not microscopic. Yeah. For example, is there Ascaris lumbricoides. So the 9th point here is cellular microbiology. Cellular microbiology is just the study of the structure and function of microbial cells. To see the cell wall, the cell membrane, vacuoles, and all of that. Just the cell structure of microorganisms. Yeah. And the last but not the least is phycology, the study of, algae. So phycology, which is the study of algae, is also a branch under medical laboratory science, and is actually not a bad specialty. It's really nice because algae actually produces oxygen. I read somewhere that algae actually produces 60% of oxygen and plant takes all the credit. I don't really know how true that is, but I know I watched a movie where they were in space and actually they were planting algae, and algae was what was producing oxygen for them because they were in space. So I actually believe that. So study of phycology is nice. It's a good specialty. So that is all for the 10 specialties in medical microbiology. If you want more topics like this or more information like this, just comment. I'll see your comments and I'll reply. Like and share. And the most important thing I want you to do is to subscribe. Support your girl, Scientist K. I love you and thanks